Update your floors with Empire Today's $50 room sale. Buy one room, get floors for all other rooms for just $50 each. So when you buy one room, it's only $50.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Windham County in northern Connecticut, western Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southwestern Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, Washington County in Rhode Island, central Newport County in Rhode Island, Kent County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, Bristol County in Rhode Island, until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:34 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Millbury to 6 miles south of Westerly, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Worcester, Middlesex and Providence counties. Hazards include 3-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Franklin, Millbury, Grafton, Johnston, Walpole, Smithfield, South Kingstown, Seekonk, Bristol, Hopedale, Millville, Lincoln, Charlestown, Plainville, Needham, Rehoboth, Providence, North Kingstown, Foxborough, and Sutton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These are dangerous storms. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building, and stay away from windows.
Oh no, Blobby's gonna puke.
Hotel Transylvania 3, rated PG.
You can swing into action anytime, anywhere with Mario Tennis Aces. Only available.